Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be looking at 2019 exam question number 37. This question came from the topic of depreciation and loans. So going to our study matrix, we'll go to depreciation and loans, and it was question type 1. So let's open that. So it is this one, 2019 question 37. Now the question is telling us that there's a new car that's being purchased for $24,950, and it's given a table that's showing the depreciation, the year and value of the car for the first 3 years. And then it's asking you, if this is the rate at which it's depreciating, what is the value of the car at the end of the 10 years? Let's take this question out. So we need to use the declining balance method, and using that method we can use any of the values to work out what the rate of depreciation is. So in this case, if I use the for year end, the value after the first year end, the formula would be the value at the time 0, which is what it's bought for, multiplied it by 1 minus r, this is the depreciation, to the power of n, so the number of years. In this case, the number of years is 1, and that is equal to 21,457. So if you solve this equation, you're going to get r is equal to 14%, right? Now the question, that's not the answer. The question is asking you what is the value of the car after 10 years. So we use the same formula, and now what we need to find out is this value after 10 years. So put that again, 24,950 multiplied by 1 minus 14% to the power of 10 this time, because it's the value after the 10th year, and that would give you 5521.47, and that's the answer.